I gave Guardian a call to replace my roof, and the reason I chose them to come out was on my research, they were one of the top companies that had the best reviews and did the best job at replacing roofs in the Northwest. When they came out, Joseph was my rep that came out and discussed with me and quoted me, and he did a great job at addressing my concerns. The team was very communicative. They did a great job at communicating prior to somebody arriving at my home who I was expecting to arrive. I was impressed by the little booties that they put on their feet when they come in your house. It's always nice when companies do that and respect your house. The project started on time and as expected. At the end of the day, for when they were working, they did a really great job of cleaning up every single day. They went through just like it was the last day and made everything look good and cleaned everything up. And I was really impressed with that. And at this time, I have a really nice looking roof, and it looks real sharp, and it came out really good. And I would recommend Guardian to my friends and family.